What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Duct tape fixes everything, but what do you do about your body? Well, hey, I discovered this. It's not the first time I've seen it. It's called Kinesiology tape. I've heard them called other things like Kinesiology tape and stuff like that, but this is by Giwil. I think that's how you pronounce it, or maybe Giwil. And I wanted to pick this up because, I'm just into mad fitness and health. And I just kind of really wanted to check this out because it's starting to make a lot of sense to me. When you're working out, as I unbox, I got two little rolls here. I should just probably tell you that this is a 5 centimeter by 5 meter roll. The thing about it is, especially when you're working out or whatever, you're always kind of fighting gravity, and over time as you get older, the muscles kind of want to go into places or kind of forced into a certain place because of jarring. And so I actually follow Doc Tac Dad on YouTube, and he's been way into marathons and Instagram and doing all that stuff. And in all his pictures, he's got like this on his arms, his legs, and apparently it works wonders. So I thought, why not check it out? Because the cool kids are. So you can see here, it's in my color, pink. Not sure what this color this is. Boom, also pink. So you can get these rolls. They look just like this, and they kind of look like that Ace bandage material to me. They're pretty thin, and you can get them in a full roll like this. You can see that's not cut. Some of them are like pre-cut or die cut, I think, or perforated, so you can just tear them off. But in this case, you could just cut what you need here and use only what you need. Now, I've seen guys use this stuff mostly on their legs. If you get shin splints and are training heavily and get a lot of, sore muscles, this kind of helps brace them. In fact, I've used some of those socks and things that will kind of hold you in place. Now, your application is going to vary. You can see a backing here, but just want to give you a little example. So, and that backing's on there because you get stickiness. It's kind of interesting how it's applied here, kind of in wavy lines. Ooh, it's really sticky. And it's kind of like duct tape. Duct tape can hold things in place, hold some pipes together. And a lot of times it's not so much about all that tensile strength and kind of making a permanent connection, but it's just getting things where they need to and things will work right. So for instance, if I were doing upper body and, I just had a sore muscle, and, I've actually had where you get clicking in your hands because you're building muscle and it just doesn't, it's not flowing over your bone quite right and things like that, and you're just kind of trying to hold it in place as you kind of build up, things like that. I'm not doing this justice, but basically, I could put this on my arm and kind of drag like my muscle in place, right? If you just wanted to kind of pull it up or something, and that's not what you would do. But, there's a lot of times when you feel a little pain and you kind of can work it out with your hand or kind of get the muscle in place with your hand. And I think that's exactly the use for this. You're like, it hurts, but if I push it up here, if I kind of push the muscle up here or the tendon, it doesn't feel as bad. And that's because you're kind of getting into the right spot. So tape like this can help you kind of just hold and push and kind of manipulate, I think, the position of your muscles and your skin and whatnot in just a little bit of kind of a small micro movement fashion. And especially on your legs, where they will take a lot of abuse. If your calves or your shin splints or something like that is giving you some problems, you can just kind of apply it and kind of tighten things up, give it a little extra support while that muscle is building or healing and whatnot. So look at that, man. I'll tell you what, it might be hard to see, but this stuff is tight, but it's flexible, right? And it's really, it kind of feels nice. It kind of feels like wrapping you up and inviting. But I would think, honestly, I'm gonna pull some hair. Actually, that's not bad. It's probably not as bad as a Band-Aid, to be really honest. So as you can see here, it flexes and it stretches, and so it's gonna move with you. It's really quite comfortable. Once you take it off, it's not going to be quite as sticky though. But it stays on there, and as you can see, it's really kind of pulling in on that side because I kind of tightened it down. But whether you sprain your ankle or something, kind of use it like an Ace bandage, or while you're working out and recovering. I really like this. Like I said, it's like duct tape for your body. and it can make a ton of difference. Having a roll of this around, I think, is great, especially if you're working out, training or running or something like that. But it's not as good as having 2 rolls. Pick it up. I'm starting to fall in love with this stuff. Makes me even want to work out. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to check it out too. Peter Von Panda, out.